That's our braid. There she is. Alright, next section. Hey guys, let's get started. So right now my hair is in a ponytail, kind of rough. This is like an old wash and go. I think I did this on Sunday and today is Wednesday, so about 3-4 days. It's mostly just been in this ponytail or like in a clip in the back, so nothing too special, but I'm not ready for wash day just yet because it is only Wednesday and I like to wash my hair once a week. So I'm going to stretch out wash day by doing really pretty braid out, and I have somewhere to be tonight, so we're going to see if we can get this dry by tonight, basically. So yeah, let's take it out, let's see what we're working with. Probably not going to look too pretty because my hair has literally been in the same ponytail for like 3 days now. Ow. Ow. Okay, so this is what we're working with. This is, like I said, a 3-4 day old wash and go. Super dry, just super, yeah. So we're going to turn this into a really pretty braid out. The method that I do dries really quickly, so we're just going to do that. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that. So like I said, my hair's been in a slick back pony for like 3 days now, so I'm going to brush out the gel. It's kind of like a hard gel cast at the top. I already did this side, so I don't know if you can tell the difference. So this side has like the gel, it's like hardened, and this side is kind of just loose and free. So I just use like a regular brush and I just kind of brush out this cast. Okay, so I'm all done getting out the gel cast and brushing. We're gonna start sectioning off our hair. So you don't want to make perfect parts because then you have to like try to get rid of those perfect parts once you take out your braids. And then I'll just put this side away. I don't know why I always start with this side of my hair, but I do. So just gonna put this side in a little bun, and then sometimes I do 4 braids, sometimes I do 6. If I'm really lazy, I'll do 4, and it honestly turns out the same. But since I want this to dry really fast, I'm going to do 6 braids so that they're really small and that it's easier for them to dry, because it's not like 4 braids takes a long time to dry, honestly. So we're going to do 6, just like a back section, a middle, and a top. So again, loose parts. So yeah, my hair is not detangled at all. So that'll be like the back section, or actually, yeah, that'll be the back section. And then I'll just split this one into 2, like so. So those are my 3 sections. Okay, so this is the product that I'm going to be using today. This is the only product I'll be using today. It is the Extreme Wet Line Gel. I love this gel. A lot of people have like mixed reviews about this gel. I love it, honestly. It's a really hard stronghold gel, and I feel like my hair needs that, so I like it. The ingredients aren't the best, honestly, so if you're really into like ingredients and stuff, maybe choose a different gel. But for the styles that I do, I always use this gel because I am like pretty picky on my hair ingredients, but I kind of just ignore this one just because it works so good. But yeah, I like this gel for any style, really. Slick backs, and if you're looking for a really like heavy gel, I use this gel in my wash and goes too, so like this one right here. So yeah, it's up to you, but this is the one that I will be using today. So the key to getting a quickly dried braid out is to not use water. So this piece of hair is extremely dirty. It's been a wash and go, it's been a ponytail, it's been a clip, it's been everything. But I'm just going to add more gel to it and then braid it up. And that's how we're going to do that, because that's how it dries the fastest. If I were to add water, it would take all day to dry. So I'm just going to take some gel, this much, however much you want to take, and I'm just going to apply it like this. I'll go like this in my hands, and then I'll apply it to the whole section, like so. And it like might feel weird because you're like, you don't have any water, but it gets the job done. This is how I get my braid outs to dry really fast, because I'm not adding any water. I'm just adding gel. So I'll just work this all the way through. But I typically do what I just did. I do the top, this part with the gel, and then this part and then I'll just start braiding. Okay, so I'm gonna start braiding. This is probably the laziest braid out routine you will ever watch on YouTube, but I don't care. It works, especially because if you have somewhere to be at night, there you go. Like, it dries really quickly. So the key is to not use water. If you do feel like you need to use water, just use like one spray, like just enough to really work the product in. But honestly, you don't need water. Like, just, especially when your hair's already dirty, like you're just adding more product, you know you're gonna wash it soon, just do it this way. Take some gel on those and wrap them around my finger, and I go like that, kind of, just to form a little curl. And that's the first braid. So that's one braid done. Quick, easy. So yeah, this takes me like 15 minutes, honestly. So yeah, I'll be back when all this is done, and then we'll do this side together. This side is completely done. So I have 3 braids. 1, 2, and 3. And I'm kind of like embarrassed to show you guys the back, like the parting, but I told you guys to do it loose, so yeah. It's like 10 o'clock now. I'm not going anywhere until like 7 p.m. so definitely will be dry by then. Okay, now we're on to why did I just clap? That was doing too much. Okay. Sorry. Now we're on to this side. Same thing, not gonna add any water, just gonna rub that gel between my hands and just work it through best as I can, and then just get some more for the ends, and that's how we're gonna do that. So nothing too complicated, just the main thing to remember is not to add any water. You could add like a spray, I guess, if you really wanted to, but it would take longer to dry. So then I just section it off to 3 equal-ish pieces as best as I can, and then I'll just start braiding. I'll just try to really do it tight at the top, and then finish braiding down. I'm going to Jamaica next week, guys, and I'm wondering if I should do a vlog. It's for my grandma's birthday. Happy birthday, Nanny. And I'm wondering if I should do a vlog, because I feel like it'll be fun. I probably won't do a vlog, because I can't really do a hair video. I don't have time for all that. But I like to vlog, so I haven't done a vlog in a while. My last vlog was my tattoo vlog. That one actually got 1K views, surprisingly. It wasn't that interesting, but it got 1K views, so thank you for that. But yeah, probably do a Jamaica vlog. That'll be fun. Yeah, so that'll be next week. So I'm going to add some more gel at the bottom. Kind of just piling it on at this point. And then again, finger coiling once you reach the end. I kind of like wrap while I braid. It's kind of weird. I kind of like twist and wrap just to get like a tighter hold. Okay, that's like a really big end piece, but whatever. Alrighty, there we go. That's our braid. There she is. Alright, next section. Let's move on. So 6 braids complete. They're pretty neat. I went ahead and did my edges because I will be going out in public. Yeah, when I do this style, I go about my day. I'm about to go to the mall to buy some pants. I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm gonna do laundry, run errands. I'm gonna do a lot of things. So yeah, I will be rocking these braids all day until it's time to take them out. These braids took me like 20 minutes to do. Really quick, really easy, and I feel comfortable wearing these braids out in public. If you don't, you could like wear a hat or like put them in a bun in the back, but I'm fine with it. So I'm gonna go to the gym, like I said, go to the mall. I'm gonna do all these different things, and then I'll come back when it's time to take them down. So yeah, see you guys soon. Hey guys, so right now it's like about 4 o'clock and it's all dry now, so I'm gonna go ahead and take these down. I'm just gonna put this jojoba oil, or you can use any oil. I'm gonna use this one, and I'm gonna coat my hands with it just to eliminate any unnecessary frizz. I'll just go down the braids, down each braids, and then I'll also coat my hands with this when I actually unravel the braids. So now I'm just gonna do that, and then I'll kind of put some more just because I just basically used it all. Okay, and so now I'm just gonna start unraveling the braids. I'll just start with the back one, and then when I unravel the braids, I literally just unravel them. I don't separate them. I unravel all 6 before I start any separating or fluffing. So I'll just go ahead and do that. You can like kind of pull at it. I just kind of take my time and just go through each one and just unravel, just like so. Okay, so now all of the braids are separated. I did not fluff anything. I didn't really separate. They're just unbraided. So everything is really how it was. I just unbraided everything, and now I will separate and fluff to get that big braid out look. I'm gonna add a little bit more oil to my hands, and then the way that I separate it is I'll take each one, I'll pull and just lightly separate that way. So I'll pull and just separate where it wants to separate, and then go throughout my head like that. So once again, I just pull and then I just slowly separate. And this helps a lot with volume. So that's how I separate it, and I'll come back when it's done. When I'm done, I'm going to stretch my hair out with this blow dryer, so I'll just pull at the roots and then just blow dry the roots only, just to get a more voluminous and lengthy look. So these are my final results. Let me show you. So it's voluminous, it's wavy, kind of like a wavy look. Yeah, so I'll show you the back. So it's bouncy. Yeah, these are the final results. I really hope you guys liked the video, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and also follow me on my natural hair social media pages, which will be down in the corner. And yeah, this is my lazy braid out. This took in total about 4 to 5 hours, 20 minutes to do the braids, and then about 4 to 5 hours to dry. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy, and that is the final look. So yeah, I will see you guys next week. Thank you for watching.